Good morning. Happy Sunday. So, in case you were wondering, Attack of the Killer Donuts is as terrible as you'd imagine. I don't even know if it's so bad it's good. It's just bad, but then actually it is so cheesy sometimes that it is kind of good. Cause like, the way that the donuts attack is just somebody off screen just like throwing rubber donuts at someone. But then there's also like these motion graphics that like animate these donuts with teeth coming out of them. And what I love the most is when these donuts, these animated killer donuts, were coming out of like the fryer fresh, because the fryer, oh sorry, spoiler alert, just in case you really wanted to watch Attack of the Killer Donuts, just maybe stop, pause it right now, because I'm about to spoil it for you. So they actually, there was poison in the fryer, and that's what made them killer. But so as these donuts are hopping out of the fryer, they're already decorated. Like, how did they become decorated? These are the questions that I ask. These are the hard-hitting movie critic like questions and criteria that I need addressed. I have not vlogged in so long. I seriously don't even know how to like hold the camera, because I want to show my outfit because I'm very proud of it. I love it. I'm wearing watermelon soda. By the way, that's what's on my lips. And this is my outfit. I think it's so cute. Just this little turquoise dress that I got at Anthropology years ago. Years ago. And then this like little vintage blouse that I was either owned by my grandmother or my Aunt Alice. I'm not sure. But I feel so cute. I feel like a Saved by the Bell 80s Barbie. We're gonna go eat and we'll check you guys out later. So we're at the Henry and the Cosmopolitan, and they have a great menu, but mostly I'm so excited they have shrimp and grits. I think that's what I'm getting because I love me some shrimp and grits. Gonna do the Flintstone games. Okay, cool, yeah. We just have to insert a bill. And how much is it? Oh, it's a penny game. Perfect. Okay, yeah. I don't know what happened. I will spin again.
Oh, that was a short trip.
It was a very short trip because I think you could only, oh, your minimum bet was 50 cents. So you could only play twice. And I didn't win anything on either one of them.
Wonk, wonk.
Wonk, wonk. We're going to Bellagio Garden at the moment, and this is so cool. What's happening? We don't know. how stylish my husband looks right now with his black silk Hawaiian top, because if he's gonna do Hawaiian shirt, that's how he does it. It needs to be all black. And then his super colorful cap, that Hawaiian cap that we purchased in Santa Barbara earlier this summer. So yeah, I don't know. I think it's good to be attracted to your husband, right? So we're currently on the bus to the Fremont Experience to meet up with Dan's family. And yeah, this is Experience. I don't like buses. I get bad motion sickness.
When accessing the upper deck,
We're gonna do
please use
this.
the
I
staircase
believe in
to the
us.
front. Please use the rear staircase to return to the lower deck.
There's Fremont Street. So right now we need to find the D Hotel. We don't know where that is, and that's where Dan's family is located. So that is our exploratory adventure. I do feel a little bit more, huh? 3-minute walk? Okay, he looked it up because guess what? We have cell phones. We have modern technology. We have GPS. My God, I can't get enough of this texture. Just like the pattern and then the changing of it. And then it's a visual delight. Not sure where we should go. Or no, this is Fremont. We need to go this way. Right? Think so. We're hella lost. We don't know where we're going. But we'll figure out as we get there. We don't know where we're going. We're kinda lost in Vegas, but it's okay. There's our destination. The D for Daniel. Aw, they're so thoughtful.
You think?
You think?
Yeah.
Okay. Homegirl's missing a finger. So currently, I am wearing my favorite vintage dress I have ever purchased. Yes, it is super tight. Yes, I can hardly breathe. And yes, we are about to create the illusion that we are newlyweds. So I always thought that if I ever eloped, I would wear this dress. It's got this amazing like little detailing here, and it has like a giraffe sort of print all down it, and it's been one of my favorite dresses for years and years and years. But I would totally be lying to you if I could say that I wasn't, if I was completely comfortable right now. I'm not. I'm very uncomfortable. I can't breathe that well. Now I know what the ladies of the Victorian era had to go through, but I'm kind of making it like a little punk rock look with like these boots. And yeah, and then my very handsome husband is dressed in one of his custom-made suits. And yeah. Are you ready to go out into the world and pretend that we're married for about 45 minutes?
Pretend that we're newly married?
Yeah, pretend that we're newly married. We are married. That is correct. Quite honestly, I just want to take this dress for a spin. We packed it. We put it on the airplane. Like I want to take this amazing vintage ensemble for a spin. After that, I'm gonna be very much looking forward to sleep. God, I can hardly breathe. I really can hardly breathe, especially since I just had like a chicken fried steak. I think that's what I ate. Yeah, chicken fried steak at Keith Urban's. Oh my God. I shouldn't have laid down. That was a bad choice on my part. Oh my God. For a girl with a sensitive stomach, this is not a good situation. Let me just tell you. We walked around the strip, me dressed in white and a leather jacket because what you didn't see was right after I recorded my last clip I busted my dress. So I'm wearing a jacket and Dan just looks so handsome. I am the luckiest girl in the world. And so now we're just looking at the gift shop before we go up for the night. Kind of like these cups, these are super cute. I love like the little spoon that they have attached to them. These are cute. So yeah, we're just exiting through the gift shop up to our room. And I think that'll be the rest for tonight. All right, I'll check you guys tomorrow.